In this video I have the Samsung Galaxy A37 and I will show you how to perform hard reset or factory reset from the recovery menu. And this is Variety Stick, so make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and without any further ado, let's find out. Now sometimes you need to do a factory reset in case if you have a lock screen and you forgot what it is for whatever reason, and also doing factory reset will lead to lose all the information. Now if you have already Gmail synced to the phone, you are required to use the same Gmail and the same password to bypass the activation screen, so that is very important before we kick off. Now for the steps, you have to pay attention to every single step I'm gonna do with this video. Other than that, you probably gonna fail doing the factory reset, but if you follow my steps, you should be good to go. Now first of all, we need to shut the phone completely off. Now since we have a pattern or lock screen, the phone will ask you to unlock the phone to be able to shut the phone completely off. So instead of this, we're gonna use completely different technique. And also let me show you that this phone has a lock screen. I won't be able to shut the phone completely off by pressing two keys, which is volume down, power key. Let me just show you that. If you go and press power off, still you are required to use the same pattern to unlock the screen, then the phone will shut off. Now what we're gonna do instead, we're gonna press two keys, volume down and power key, for 7 seconds. Exactly has to be 7 seconds. You have to count, and once the phone restart, or after the 7 seconds is over, you have to release your finger from the power and the volume down, and immediately you have to press again on the power and the volume up. Now as you press on both keys, first the phone is going to show Samsung logo and then Samsung Galaxy logo. Once you see the Samsung Galaxy logo appears on the screen, you have to release only from the power and you have to hold on the volume up. So let's go ahead and do this step by step, and please pay attention to every single step. Now we need to start by clicking two keys, power and volume down, and we need to count till 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Release on both power and volume up. Now when you see the Galaxy logo appears, release from the power and keep hold on the volume up. You might need to do it multiple times. It's kind of difficult sometimes, but you have to keep trying. Now when you get here, you're gonna have 3 different options: reboot system now, wipe data factory reset, which is what you guys need. Select through the volume down, highlight wipe data factory reset, and then to select you have to press the power key. Let's go ahead and do that, and then it's going to give you confirmation that you're going to lose everything. If you're sure you want to do it, go ahead and press the power key and give it a few seconds, and then it's going to take you back to the same menu. Now you just have to press on the power key, and now you have to allow up to 3 minutes at the most, and the phone is going to be factory same as you purchase the phone. And that was very much it. I wish you guys find it helpful. If it did, thumbs up and subscribe for more here in Variety Stick. Thank you so much everyone for watching. As always, we'll talk to you in another video.
Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back.